Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW series for beginners. Now, here we're going to advance a little bit and we're going to start recreating some logos that we have. So in this lesson, we're going to recreate the Apple logo, and it's very simple, so just follow along and you'll get the hang of it. So first of all, we're going to select the ellipsis tool, then we're going to draw an ellipsis like so. Then with the pick tool selected, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, and then I'll just bring that over here. Like so. Then I'll select both of them and weld. Select this command, weld. And that will weld these two, and you can see now you have this one object. Now with the image selected, I'll select the shape tool, select this node, and then come over here and select symmetrical node. Now this will make the place a little bit symmetrical. Let's choose that a little bit. There we go. I'll do the same with the top. Symmetrical node. Okay, a little dent, and that's good. So now we have the apple. I'm going to just resize this a bit. There we go. Now I'll create another circle, but now I want a perfect circle, so I'm holding down the Control key as I draw this out, then Control D, make a duplicate. Now with the first circle, I'm going to place it over here like so. Then I'll select these two and select this command, back minus font. Now once I click on it, you can see what's happened to the shape that we had. It's created a new curve over here. Now with this shape, with this circle, I'll press Ctrl D, create a new copy, align them as such, like so. Then I'll select both of them, select intercept, and then I'll delete the other part, and I'm left with this. Now I'll click over here. Let's rotate it a bit. I'm using the arrow keys to move this into place. Let's resize it, and then Ctrl A to select all, then add the color, and there you go. Now you can choose if you want to group this. You can just select all of them by pressing Ctrl A, Object, then Group, and now we'll have this logo as a group. You can see now that's how easily you can create the Apple logo.